Dutchman videos I've been seeing. I don't want something slimy and wet in my hand. I want something slimy and wet in my mouth. So that's some duck fat, some shallots. If you got it, you could do Crisco and onions. I don't care. It doesn't really matter. Whatever suits you, quite frankly. A little Minnesota hot sauce, ketchup and mustard. Spices of your choosing and some dill pickle. This is the sauce to end all sauces. I'm going to dash a little balsamic vinegar in there because I'm like that. I guess I could like tell you everything, but I'm not gonna. Honestly, most of you can cook. Let's be honest. But I will tell you is Indian pakora bread is superior than a slab of fried onions. Are you serious right now? This is low carb. It's almond flour, egg, cream, ring mold, fried up on a skillet. Super easy. And you guys know how to do a burger, right? Yeah. So here you go. A keto burger that doesn't suck. Okay? It's good.